Hi, my name is Kristen. I'm the Director of Programs at HURIDOCS. In this video, I'm going to briefly demonstrate some of the ways that Uwazi is being used to monitor and document human rights violations. Managing information about violations is often complex. It requires us to manage and connect different types of information about events and people. HURIDOCS developed Uwazi to help manage this complexity. Uwazi is a web-based application designed for human rights defenders to manage collections of information, including documents, evidence, cases, and complaints. Let me give you a brief overview of how Uwazi can be configured to manage this information. For each type of information in your collection, you can customize a template that will contain all of the properties you will need. For example, let's say I have a template called Record of Incident, and I want to include properties such as date, location, description, etc. By dragging each type of property to the template, I can add and configure the properties I need for each template in my collection. You can define your own thesauri that provides the list of terms to be selected in your properties. It's also important to note that you can change these templates, properties, and lists at any time. All of this allows you to collect, organize, and find structured data. You can create a user-friendly form for your team to create new records in a structured way. You can organize your case documents and all related files in one place. This includes images, videos, audio, documents, etc. You can capture relationships between different types of information in your collection, such as the victim and the perpetrator in relation to the incident. When creating a new relationship, you can search through existing records in your collection, or you can create a new record. When it comes to finding information in your collection, you can use filters based on the properties you have configured, or search the entire database. Uwazi provides a full-text search of any machine-readable PDF. You can also compile statistics and visualizations of the data in your collection through charts and maps right in Uwazi. Uwazi allows you to import and export data via CSV files. Uwazi can be used and translated into 180 languages, including right-to-left languages like Arabic and Farsi. At HURIDOCS, we're also focused on functionality that will help protect and preserve this sensitive and important information. Uwazi has the option to enable two-factor authentication for any account and an activity log for an administrator to monitor any suspicious behavior. Uwazi is built on transparency and good practices. HURIDOCS is actively developing this open source tool. Anyone can access, use, and adapt the code. New ideas, issues, and questions can be contributed by anyone to our public GitHub issue queue, where we track our work. When possible, we carry out third-party security audits of our code. And recognizing that most human rights organizations do not have the capacity to host and maintain Uwazi, HURIDOCS provides hosting at an affordable cost. In summary, Uwazi allows you to collect, organize, analyze, and find your information related to human rights violations. As we explore new functionality in Uwazi, our team strives to find the right balance between offering sophisticated features with a user-friendly interface and the ability to set appropriate security precautions. We continue to make improvements and adjustments to Uwazi, and we welcome your feedback, so please be in touch.